This word is ridiculous because it looks like it should be pronounced colonel, but it's not pronounced colonel at all. It's pronounced kernel, kernel. Yeah, you heard it right. It's the same exact sound as the word kernel. Like a popcorn kernel. We can break it down into 2 syllables, ker and null. Ker, null. The first syllable starts with a K sound or C sound, that hard K, followed by an that sound that we get at the end of words that end with ER, like better, faster, sweeter, bigger, So first syllable, ker, second syllable, null, null. So we start with the N sound, n, 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 and then just a dark L, ol, kernel, kernel, kernel. I am not a kernel, but I am a fan of popcorn kernels. Do you enjoy popcorn? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more right now, click on this video.